the piece got stuck down there. This was a little bit too much for it. Well, it worked until it didn't. Hello and welcome back to Patrick Garage. Yeah, it's still me. Hello and welcome back to my garage. I thought I'd talk a little bit about the reed intake. But first, you got a good Christmas? I have eaten and I have eaten and I'm very full. I do not want any more food for this week. So let's get back to the cylinder and intake. This is the result. I milled this one today actually, the small intake manifold. Now the carburetor will fit with a rubber in between. Someone mentioned these bolts might protrude into the engine, but there isn't any issue. I just drill bigger in this fin and make the bolt go further into the cylinder. No issue at all. I just left it like this because maybe it doesn't hit, but if it hits, I just modify it. So I'll take it apart a little bit so you can see what I've been doing. As I always say, air haven't got eyes. Remember that. I've said it before. This screw is very short. I misplaced the gasket also. I only got one. I think it's up at the computer in my top floor in the house when I measured things. There should be a gasket right here. No, the gasket is right there, but there should be a gasket right here. This one. And like that. And then another gasket, and like that. And clean it, of course, before putting it together. So this one, I made this one today. Can you see anything? Yes. In my little CNC mill. And this one I hogged out with my with my manual mill. And inside the intake, I'll show you, I have ported Boysen and I opened up the the C transfers boost into the intake. And as the cylinder was ported before I laid my hands on it, I couldn't I couldn't make it exactly as I wanted it, so a little bit of a compromise all the time. But I'll show you down here then. Is my screen dirty? No. I have JB welded a little bit down there also to get the shape I want. But you can see down there are Boysen ports. See if I can point with a pointing device. Where is it? Down there. And equal on the other side. And here I opened up to the boost ports. And also piston, I have modified it. Made a little bit of a half moon right there and two more openings to get it to open the intake almost 360 degrees all the time. Try to do this one-handed, isn't easy. it isn't centered now, but whatever. You can see it will open up the intake almost all the time, but the Boysen is open all the time. Final mod, I need to take the engine out of the frame. I'm thinking about, you can see small markings. I can show you a little bit more with a pen, draw some new ones. I'm figuring I'll open up 2 holes right here and aim them a little bit in the casing towards the sides, as the skirt is a little bit shorter on the sides. That's what I've been doing, and I'm quite happy with the result, even though people having their opinions. The light is always strong, and well, some of them opinions are correct and some of them aren't correct, but I'm all about testing, so maybe I'm not correct, but we'll see. And I'll cut in some milling, of course, time-lapse from when I was milling the intake and such. I'm back from that right here. So that's all I had. I always say that, that's all I had, because there isn't anymore. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye. The piece got stuck down there. This was a little bit too much for it. Well, it worked until it didn't work, but it's savable because I have a lot left to grind out by hand. There's one that was getting stuck in between and getting too much of a cut to do for this little fella. So now I got a hole straight through. Wait. I got a hole straight through right there, right now. And I figure, as I haven't got 3D CAD software, I'll grind this out with the angle myself. with the porting tool. It's quite easy. Yeah, I almost aligned it also. Yeah, it's down there. Let's light up some. You can see I need to still open it up some, but now I can get it all the way down. Almost all the way down. Where is it? Yeah, no issue. I can drill the holes and start doing an intake manifold and start porting out the cylinder and this a lot.